What's in the mystery box? The mystery box subscription service, which started in May of 2025, is still going strong into 2026, and I decided to show you what's in the box. Now, this video is being recorded well after the November 2025 box has been fulfilled, shipped, and gone. No longer available. January boxes are shipping right now. Just started shipping those. So this is early January, and I want to show you what was in the box from the last round. I'm not going to show you what's in the box from this round because it wouldn't be a mystery then anymore. But this is the November mystery box, and I would very much like feedback from you. Whether you are part of the subscription service or not, I'm asking for feedback on some of this gear, trying to get better gear, different items from the same vendors, stuff that people want to see in mystery boxes. This is 7 items right here. 7 items that were in the November 2025 mystery box. To date, I put a t-shirt in every mystery box. This one says Eat, Sleep, POTA, Repeat. At the top of the page, when you go to sign up for the subscription service, it asks you for a size. It has a little drop-down menu for a size. Some people miss that. Now, I've got it in big blue text on the webpage that says the size drop-down is the t-shirt size you want. 90 to 95% of the people get that, and they choose the correct size. But every now and then someone doesn't choose anything, and if you let it go by default, you get a small. Most people don't want a small t-shirt, so just pay attention to that. But this t-shirt was included in the November mystery box, and the size was done by whatever you chose on the website. The big hit item of this mystery box, in my opinion, was the brand new Bioenno battery, 12-volt, 4.5 amp-hour Bioenno battery with lithium iron phosphate charger. So brand new in a box, Bioenno battery. Huge shout out to Kevin at Bioenno. Looking forward to seeing him at Hamcation in just a couple weeks after this recording. But that is the big ticket item. This box represents the largest tier, what I call the amateur extra tier of the mystery boxes. The general box included this item, not include the other items. So there's fewer items in the general box and there's fewer items in the technician box. This is everything that was included in the extra box. Got a little winder there. These might vary in color, depending on which one you got, but these were just 3D printed winders, generic stuff there. Maxpedition. I keep getting emails from Maxpedition. This is one of their new platy pockets. I carry one of these myself. Maxpedition really wants to be a part of future mystery boxes. I traded emails with them just again last week, and I'm going to be getting other Maxpedition packs to put in future boxes. So if you guys have opinions about which Maxpedition pack you would like to see, put a comment in the description of this video. This is from CountyCom. This is an X pack, what they call a pen pouch. I've got like 3 of these I carry around in various colors. Obviously, it comes in this vacuum sealed bag, but you open this up, it's just a pouch that's about yay tall, and it's made to carry around pens, I guess. They call it a pen pouch. You can put anything in there you want. I've got a charging brick in one of mine. I've got some connectors. It's a really good universal pouch, and it's waterproof because it is X-Pack material. Then there's this. This is the iMini 2 from Olight. This is the one right here that I carry on my own personal keyring every day. It's got a magnet on the back of it, and when you pull the magnet apart, the light comes on. This is a magnet in here. Of course, this will connect to any other metal surface, and you can use it wherever you want to. Put it back together like that. And then you take this part off right here and plug it into a USB-A socket anywhere, and it charges the internal battery. But these things are great. I love these Olights. One of the most popular Olights in my arsenal. I think they call it Dream Blue is the color on this, but I included the Olight. I am an Olight dealer. On my website, shop.hamradio2, which takes you to grapevineamateurradio.com, I have various Olights. I don't have all of them, but I have some of them. And those have been pretty popular on the website. I'm including Olights in this box, and there will be one in the January box as well. And then the final thing is just a koozie. I've put stickers in most of the mystery boxes up until now, and I've got some new stickers that I'm working on, but I'm trying not to duplicate items because a couple of you have emailed me and said, like in the mystery boxes started in May of last year. So in May, and they go every 60 days. So May, July, and September. In September, I included the Edfong GMRS antenna. And a lot of people were like, well, why don't you include the Edfong ham radio antenna? This is a ham radio channel, a ham radio mystery. I was like, well, I did in the first 2 boxes. And each round, each 60 days, more people sign up. The list keeps growing. So if you just signed up recently, you probably didn't get an Edfong antenna, but I'm going to recycle those at some point. I'm going to put Edfong antennas in some future because I got a lot of people who have dropped off and are not getting the box anymore, but I've got even more people that have signed up because the total number of boxes that I ship each 60 days, that total number goes up. So I appreciate you guys being part of this effort. I really do ask for your opinion on the items that you've got here, and I ask for your suggestions on new items. I got a really cool antenna that you're going to see in both the January and March boxes of 2026. I've already started shipping the January boxes, like I said, so some of you have gotten that antenna or antenna part, but I'm going to include another cool antenna in the next round of boxes also. So what do you think about this list? Someone commented on one of the boxes and said, hey, these are great items, and they were talking about this right here. They were talking about this CountyCom pin patch. They're like, hey, this is cool. Where do I get one? What is this? Who makes this? And I'm like, that's a good question. So now I'm starting to put printouts and inserts in the boxes that say, hey, this is where these items come from in case you want to get more of them. So it's a process. It's a process that I'm going to continue going to and continue working through. And again, I really do covet your feedback and your suggestions for future boxes. Thanks for watching this, guys. Put a comment below with anything, any suggestions you have, good or bad, constructive criticism or good feedback, whichever one you want. Please put a comment in the video below. And if you like this video, check out these over here. YouTube thinks you want to watch those next, and we will catch you next time.